Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. It is hump day. Woohoo! I am here with hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter. Week 2. This one's unique to me because it's actually my backgrounds. I was messing with my gelatos last week and I made some mixed media backgrounds and I decided to use them in my pocket letter. And the stickers on here are from the Dollar Tree that I bought a month ago, maybe, month or two. So I thought, let's see what I can create. So the first roll you have, Craig Tabby is magic. And it's got a little paint tube. And I have these little dots. I think somebody melted pony beads down and sent them in frame mail. So I use them there. Then this one I have these little buttons. There's a crayon. More of those little dots. Watercolor. Paint tubes. And as you can see in my background, I also had square and a circle and a square. And this one's square. It's circle, square, circle. And I just did some medium. Just did the background mixed media. This says unique. Paint palette. Some more of those dots. So that's the first roll. Here's the second roll. Got some colored pencils, little light bulb, and mixed media background, some more dots, paint tube. Middle it says greatest artist. Got some of those little dots. Again, I have some dots. Create watercolor palette. Down here is the paint palette. Little artist hat, I'm calling it. Some more of those dots plus my background. You can see more of my background. Over here I have paint tubes, a crayon. That's a button, by the way. And that little light bulb and some more of those dots. Paint palette or easel, not palette, easel. It says I love to heart. I love to art. And some of them are dots. So that is that. Roll. There you go. And then that one. Then off to the side, I have the same paper, and I just put some dots going across. Have some of Donna's ribbon. So that's what this side looks like. And I always do the front as well as the back. So let's turn it over. Ba-ba-doom. I don't know which one I like best, front or back. Again, it is my mixed media paper I did. And these are Dollar Tree stickers. I've had these for a long time. And over here, I got some bling, a crayon, create, inspire, little hand, the guitar, mixed media guitar, love it. Over here it says, I love art. I got paint, bucket, some bling, little crayon. Over here it says painting, got a little paint jars, some bling. So that's the first row. And then a second roll, got a paint palette, a crayon, some bling, and then you see my mixed media, the background. Then over here, I got the little smock. It says stuff, bling. Over here, got another one that says I love to art. I loved art, paint bucket, the little hat, and some bling, and then you see my background. Then on this one, I have crayons, purple, blue, green, yellow, little crayons inside, and some bling. Oop. On this one, I have more little crayons, orange and red, create, inspire, and some bling. And then here I have the easel, and has a little hand. It's so cute. And then the paint, little jars, and a crayon, and some bling. So that's that one. Try to get so you can see it. Down the side, I got the same images I used on the background going down the side, and added some bling. And that is this week's 2 pocket letter. Now, if you would like to join in to this 30 weeks of pocket letter, all you have to do is use a hashtag 30 weeks PL. There's no theme to it. It's whatever you want to create and then share, and just use that in your title so we can find it. I guess that's how that works with a hashtag. So I don't know if I like the front better or the back better, but I had fun making this one, especially when I use the paper that's my own that I created. So I'm enjoying making them. I love doing pocket letters, so I'm enjoying having to do one once a week. And I can't wait till I have all 30 done and share my book I'm going to create with them. And like I said, in the future, I may send these out in friend mail. I don't know yet. Right now, I'm going to keep them and look through them. And then after January, then I may start sending them out as well. So I want to thank you all for watching, taking your time with me, and enjoying this collab, as we're calling it, that Sabrina and the Mismatch Crafter and I have come up with. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Have a good night, everybody, or a good day, because it is Wednesday, so it's hump day. And it's in the afternoon when you're seeing this. Bye.